Cancel Google VEO subscription. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with a quick guide on canceling your Google VEO 3 subscription or other versions. Enjoy videos like this? Check out related videos, subscribe and like. I'm always making helpful content for you. Alright, let's get started. The site is labs.google.com. Click on the first result, labs.google.com. I'll log into my account. See Create with Flow. It's loading my videos. Click on your profile picture at the top. Then click on Manage Subscription. You'll see your plan. Google AI Pro 2 terabytes, price and billing cycle. Scroll down. At the bottom, click Cancel Subscription, then Cancel. Here's the next payment, $96.99 on July 6th. I'm still in the trial period, folks, still in the free period. I'll click Manage, then click Cancel Subscription. Choose the cancellation reason, then click Continue. Then just confirm by clicking Cancel Subscription. And done, folks. Subscription canceled. Just click OK. My subscription ends July 6th, so no more Google VEO charges. Remember, support the channel with the thanks button. Any amount helps. Got it? Comment below and subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.